All Zimbabwean entrepreneurs, attention here please. Frexwell Technologies is leading the way in website creation for startups and small businesses across Zimbabwe. We cater for all shapes and sizes. Now, have you ever thought, what is the actual purpose of a website? Your website should inspire your visitors to pick up the phone and give you a call. We are here to make that happen and show Zimbabwe what you are really made of. We like to show how great we are. That's why we are offering 3 months hosting completely free with every website ordered. We help you plan, design, and execute the perfect website and ensure it actually works. We create websites that can not only accessed from desktops but also mobiles. Fully responsive web design is how we plan to take over Zimbabwe. Just joking. Now, what are you waiting for? Pick up the phone and turn your website into a lead generating cash cow. Frexwell Technologies, giving people online presence.